We're getting to the tail end of the 2020 Giveaway Gladiator build here at Northridge 4x4, and it's time for some recovery gear. First up is a set of Tread Pro recovery boards from ARB. Tread Pro are the recovery boards of choice here at Northridge 4x4. Part of it is because of their dual composite build. The dual composite build, or what Tread calls Exo Tread, is constructed of a flexible nylon for strength and long life. The nodes or grips themselves are constructed from a glass-filled material that's very hard. This will help keep those nubs from wearing off fast if you get your tires spinning, which is a common problem with some of the other boards on the market. To make this dual composite board, Tread sets the glass-filled teeth into the tooling that the nylon is then cast into. The nylon completely encases the teeth, locking them into the matrix of the board and keeping them firmly planted, even under severe use. Next up, we have the concave convex design of the board. The Tread engineers set out to find what is the motion of the vehicle in the recovery board during the recovery process. They found that the motion is forward and then up and over. What you'll also notice on the board is that you have multiple spots to grip the board. The hand grips are very comfortable, they're ergonomic, and they're designed so that you can get a good grip on the board. On the shovel end, we've got a point, so you can actually get in there and dig that sand, snow, mud, whatever you need out of the way so that you can get the board in place. Another benefit of the Tread Pro boards is its stacking ability. They stack into place and have a very low profile. Take the ratcheting handles and slide them right down in, and then just lock them in place. To keep the boards from walking off, you can rotate the end of the ratcheting handle, line the two holes up, and then use a small luggage lock to lock them into place. So we're going to do a quick step back and show you how we installed those. Now, to add to the recovery capabilities of the Giveaway Gladiator, ARB has included one of their 8-piece premium recovery gear kits. It's all packed into the large ARB recovery gear bag that is washable. And as we open it up, one of the first things we notice is a pair of leather gloves, which we're gonna put on right now. Why? Because it's a great habit to get into anytime you touch recovery gear, you've got gloves on. It's a safety thing. Now, underneath the gloves, you're gonna find an ARB ultralight pulley block. It's rated to 20,000 pounds and is perfect match for that worn VR10S winch on the front of the Giveaway Gladiator. Moving to the center compartment, we've got a 10-foot ARB tree strap to help protect those trees. It's rated to 26,500 pounds. Next up is a 29-foot ARB snatch strap. It's rated to 17,500 pounds and is designed for those kinetic recoveries, those vehicle-assisted recoveries. And then we have a 66-foot winch extension strap. It's rated to 9,900 pounds. And hey, it's designed for those times when you're out in the middle of nowhere and the winch rope just isn't cutting it. You've got another 66 feet of winch extension. In the front of the recovery gear bag, we have an ARB damper. This is designed to go over the top of your winch rope or recovery gear strap. It's held together with Velcro and features an internal pocket, so you can add extra weight if you want. Now, one of the things we really like about the ARB damper is the high vis orange. This is a warning flag. This is a perfect way to warn people that there is a recovery in progress. Now, in a side pocket, you will find a pair of ARB screw pin bow shackles. They feature a 3/4 inch diameter screw pin and have a working load limit of 4 3/4 tons. When you couple the ARB Premium Recovery Gear Kit with those Tread Pro recovery boards, that ARB jack, and the worn VR10S 10,000-pound winch, the Giveaway Gladiator is pretty well set for just about any recovery scenario. So we gotta ask, are you ready to upgrade your recovery gear game with some kit from ARB? Check the description box down below to where you'll find links for the ARB Premium Recovery Gear Kit, those Tread Pro recovery boards. You'll also find links to our videos on the ARB jack and the installation of that worn VR10S winch. While you're down there, hit that comment box, leave us a comment. What do you feel are some essential recovery gear to have on any four-wheel drive trip? And what do you currently carry in your 4x4? So until next time, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and thanks, Northridge Nation.